Hello everyone and welcome back to My English with Alex. We're gonna learn a bunch of new verbs. I have a whole playing deck for you guys and we're gonna learn a bunch of new words today together. Verbs are action words, which means that you're gonna be using them to describe somebody's action. Here's the box action words if you want to order it yourself. This is not a sponsorship. Let's go. Yawn. Yawn. I'm getting really tired right now. I'm yawning. I yawn when I am tired. Oh my god, I'm already tired, you guys. To write. That's a really easy one. I write on the paper. To wipe. I wipe the paint off the box. You can use a cloth to wipe. This is what wiping is like. To wave. Like, wave is what you find on the sea, but as a verb, I wave, he waves, you wave. What it means is that I am saying hi or goodbye or making some kind of hand gesture with my hand, going like this. This is to wave. I wave goodbye at my friend. Bye. To wave. To throw. I throw the ball away. I throw the ball. I throw the bird. It's gone. To swing. I swing high in the air. You can swing on what's called a swing. You go, woo! You know when you're a kid and up and down, I swing on the swing. Woo! Now that's an easy one. To swim. I swim in the water. Swimming. Are you good at swimming? Here's a little swimmer. To sweep. I sweep with the broomstick. I sweep the dusty floor. With this, it means going like on the floor. To stop. I stop at the sign. This sign. Maybe you know the song from the Spice Girls, Stop. Stop right now, thank you very much. I need somebody, I don't know the lyrics, but stop right now. To stand, we stand in a line, like this. To stand means to go up, like this on your legs, but I prefer to sit, personally. To spin, ooh. I spin the basketball. I can spin on my chair, woo. To skip. Skipping is so much fun. A lot of kids skip, but I still skip and I'm an adult. I skip outside. Look at that, that's amazing. Skipping is between running and walking, but in a way that's really fun and exciting. Okay, and today's last one, to skate. I skate. Have you heard of a skateboard before? Well, you can skate on a skateboard, but the example here says, I skate on the ice, and it's actually the same as ice skating. That's actually what we call ice skating. Here we go. So to skate means to slide on a surface. So it can be done with a skateboard, with ice skates, so many different things. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching My English with Alex. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out my website in the description for more videos and private tutoring. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you so much, and you guys are doing amazing. I think we're gonna have many more videos where we're gonna learn cool new verbs together, and I'm super excited to do this with you. So I'll see you guys very soon. Have a great day.